Morning, dear students. As in continuation with the unit discussions, today we are going to discuss which types of topics are associated with unit thirds and unit fourths. So, first of all, unit thirds, which consist of different regulatory mechanisms involved in controlling the catabolic and anabolic process of microbes. Catabolic process means the destruction process, and anabolic process the synthesis process. So different types of process, either it is catabolic or anabolic process, and how it is controlled and what are the regulatory mechanism involved for controlling this process, which are going to discuss in these units. And there are some aspects of control regulatory mechanisms such as induction process. Different individuals are involved for the production process in the regulatory mechanisms. Nutritional repression process, different types of nutritions also repress the overall fermentation process. Carbon catabolite repressions, sometimes glucose molecules or carbon molecules also repress the our fermentation process. Capillary effect is associated with the alcohol production process. It is also involved in the regulatory mechanisms, as well as feedback inhibition and feedback repression process. So the product forms which also control the overall process, such as in the terms of feedback inhibition and feedback repression. So these regulatory mechanisms has to be discussed here in the unit third and unit fourth, which is basically covered the creation and procedure for developing mutants of the desired microbe with the stable capacity of producing desired metabolites. So in this units we are discussing about the microbes which are associated with the particular or desired products. How the most stable microbes are developing the mutants of such microbes for making the process more conducive, and our desired metabolites are our desired metabolites have to produce in the higher yield. So in this topics we are going to discuss such things. Then isolation and preservation of different types of mutants. Isolation and preservation of different types of mutants. So how to isolate such types of mutants which are induction resistant, which are feedback inhibition resistant, and also the concept for overproduction of primary and secondary metabolites has also been discussed here. So how we are controlling the microbes which are related to the fermentation process for a particular metabolite production process. How the microbes, how the stable microbes has to be produced. So these are the things has to be discussed in this unit 4. It is totally based on the creation and procedure of microbes which are related for a particular products, particular primary metabolites, particular secondary metabolites. How these mutants, how these different stables microbes are produced for the production of such metabolites. So it is totally depends on the developing the mutants of desired microbes with stable capacity of producing desired metabolites. And unit 5th, the last unit of this fermentation biotechnology subjects is the totally based on the different types of products. Different types of products we are using what are the particular set of conditions, what are the process parameters, and what are the materials, raw materials used for the industrial manufacturing process of such types of either the primary metabolites, either secondary metabolites. In secondary metabolites, we are talking about the antibiotics, solvents, and when we are talking about the primary metabolites, then organic acids, alcohols we are used, and different types of biopharmaceutical components such as insulin, interferons, production process has also to be discussed in the unit 5th. And the last two topics, microbial transformation and microbial leaching process, has also discussed in the unit 5th. Microbial transformation process, how the hazardous microbes, hazardous components are converted into less hazardous component through transformation process, through microbial transformation process. Uh, these things are going to discuss in the unit 5th, and microbial leaching process is also discussed in the unit 5th. So these are the different types of topics which are covered. The different units are going to discuss in the fermentation biotechnology subjects. So, so this is the some briefing about the different topics which consist in different units which are going to discuss here. So in next class we are going to start the unit first of our fermentation biotechnology subject.